Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to know like how many devices are logged in with your Google account, then in this video I'll show you the detailed step like how you can know like what are how many devices are actually connected with your Google account. Then you can and after that I will show you like how you can remove those devices from your Google account. So stick till the end of the video and I will show you and I will walk through you the entire step. Like if you are on a phone or if you are on desktop, I'll show you the entire step of both the devices. So first let me just show you for mobile devices. So first let me just share my phone screen with you guys. So as you can see my phone screen right now, so what you need to do is go to Google account, and if you have like multiple Google account like me, then you need to first choose the Google account on which like you want to see how many devices are being connected to that Google account. For like in my case, if I just select this one, so in my case if I just select this one, then after selecting the account, then again click on this, go to manage your Google account, let it load first. Okay, then scroll down until you see your devices. Then here you will see the entire list of like how many devices are being connected with your Google account. So this is my current session. It means this is my phone, this is this phone, that is current session. So and like another one is like other devices are like my iPhone that is being used like 3 hours ago. Here in my means I use the like on my iPhone I use this account like this Gmail account like 3 hours ago. And if you just go into that, like if you select that iPhone, it will like also show you like when you first sign in, you like sign into that device. So it first asks you for passcode. So as you can see, first sign in is in June 2022. If I just highlight this area, so let me just highlight this area. As you can see, first sign in June 2022. So yes, you can see like when you first sign in on this device, so in that way you can just choose like this is the device that has been inactive for like past 70 days. So it will again ask for your fingerprint. So here what you can do is you can just press this sign out button if you want to remove the device from your Google account. And yes, this is the step, like this is how you can see, and you can so this is how you can see like how many devices are being connected to your Google account, like how many devices are using your Google account like from your phone. This is the step how you can see that how many devices are connected. But for desktop version, for that let me first share my laptop screen. So as you can see my laptop screen, what you need to do is you need to go to google.com, and if you are on Chrome, then this is the first page that you will see. Then after that, like select the account that you want to select the account from which you want to remove the devices. So here in my case I'll select this one. Once it's being selected, you need to again press on the profile picture, then go to manage your Google account, then go to security tab, then scroll down until you see your devices, and then click on manage all devices. Here we can see like list of the devices that's using the your Google account, same as the as your phone, like same as your phone. So from here you can also see like the first sign in date, that is if I just highlighted the first sign in day, you can just sign out from here. Then yes, This is the this is, so yeah, this is how you can see how many devices are connected to your Google account, both from your phone and as well as from your laptop. Then so if you found this video helpful, do give it a like and share it with your friends.